Hello everyone. So today we are making meatball sliders. So I am using some Hawaiian rolls. They smell good. And I have 12 meatballs and some sauce. So make your own favorite meatball or buy your favorite meatball and put it in some sauce. And then I have some additional sauce. I have some Gouda cheese because I thought I had provolone and I don't have mozzarella. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these rolls. And you will want to probably use a bread knife for that just because it's easier. And then what I'm going to do is I have a small cookie or biscuit cutter. Cut the top of each one. And hopefully yours is sharper than mine. Do that. How are you all today? It is Saturday here and the weather is terrible. It's been terrible we had a few good days, but to be honest, the last 3 months have been the worst. Like, very wet. Mosquitoes are eating me alive. I think the news said it's been the wettest August and September, and they're saying October will be as well. Ooh, I foobarred that one. It's okay. It's just bread. Just a little bread. So I'm going to set that aside. I don't know why I put it on the cheese. I need my cheese. So on the bottom part, let's see, I wonder what will work better for this. I'm going to take some softened butter and spread it on the bread. Okay. And then I'm going to take some garlic powder and sprinkle that on the bread. And then I am going to put the cheese. And if you have mozzarella, I would use mozzarella. So there's the cheese. And then I'm going to add some sauce. And spread that about. And you can add as much cheese or what have you as you like, whatever your taste. That was the oven saying it's hot. So then I'm going to put this back on. And then I'm going to add my meatballs. my saucy balls. I've got saucy balls. Okay, I think that may sound wrong on some level. Oh, I have one ball too many. I must have missed that day in school. And then I'm going to, see, this is where I would prefer some shredded cheese, but lay some cheese on my balls. Just tearing it up. See, this is when you don't have everything for your recipe. You just wing it. You can do that with any recipe. And like I said, however cheesy you like your cheese. Then I'll put my little tops on. And then the butter, a little butter. I should have done this on the cookie sheet. Because now I have to move this to the cookie sheet. And then I'm going to add a little more garlic powder. And you don't have to put those tops back on. I just don't want to throw them away. So, okay, let's see. Go. All my tops went everywhere. So there we go. Gonna put these in the oven at 350 until everything's melty, hot, golden brown. And I will show them to you when they come out of the oven. Okay, everyone. We are done. So I am going to, what am I going to do? Just going to cut down along the lines. That's what I'm going to do. I don't want to burn myself. These just came out of the oven. And these are just like a mini meatball sandwich. And I don't know how many he will eat. And you can also just pull them apart. This would be great for football games, football parties, what have you. Have a little extra sauce here to dip in if you need it. You can make fries or chips or what have you. So there you go. There's your meatball sliders. So give them a try. They're pretty good. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing that. And a thumbs up helps me out. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.